ito sa'yo.
Oo, sa'yo. Gusto mo share yan sa akin?
Okay, ito sa'yo.
Thank you.
And this is
Okay,
very yummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh. Look at that.
Kasi si mama, dahil
What eat? Tita? Want eat? No? Okay, want eat the fruits. What? I didn't know what's that. Ayaw? The final one.
ubusin mo na yan.
Wait lang, wait.
Magsulat ka mamaya, ha?
Okay, Mama. Baby.
Magsulat ka ng letters.
Wag. Wag.
Bakit na naman?
Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Eat the fruit.
Ah.
Yeah, like.
Kakain ka muna, okay.
Mama, is that you?
Enough na. Busog na ako. Diba, binigyan mo na ako kanina. Busog na ako eh.
Ako?
Oo, masarap yan, kopya.
Kupya, Ma. It's rub.
Yan.
Done?
Hindi yan, kopya. Brownies yan, brownies.
No, it's a roll. It's a what? What? Then, hi guys. They eat the ina. The ina. They have used the seafood.
Ubusin mo na yan sa... Mamaya, kakain na tayo. Ay, puno yung bunganga mo, nagsasalita ka. Inumin mo na yung gatas mo. Nilalagyan natin para malinis. Isuot ni Papa. Na? Yan na, beauty. Yes. It's so dirty. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, what happened?
no more germs.
No more germs.
Oh, that's not so bad.
Yes, no more germs. So, bibigyan kita ng germs?
Don't enter the throat.
What?
Don't go in the throat. So hurt.
Ah, your throat so hurt. Eh, hindi ka naman inuubo. Paano magiging masakit yung lalamunan mo?
Those of the milk come and stop the throat.
Ah, okay. Masakit yung throat mo. May nalalaman ka pang throat na. Lalamunan lang yan, anak ko. Lalamunan. Okay? Lalamunan lang yan. Asaan throat mo? Throat. Oh. Okay. Ang galing. Ang galing. Neck.
Neck?
Neck. Neck?
How throat hurts.
Hindi ka naman inuubo. Paano magiging masakit yung lalamunan mo?
No, throat hurts. And milk is coming.
Okay. Milk is coming.
Hmm? Hmm? Hi guys. Okay na. Bye-bye guys. Go home.
Tapos ka na? Ay, kainin mo yung yung kopya mo.
Hmm?
Oo, kainin mo.
What?
Kainin mo yan.
Wait. That's done. Done. See? Look out.
Wow, very good.
Done ako. Don't eat it so dangerous. Yes. Mama, laglag. I want it. Yummy. Cookies. Huh? Cookies? Not cookies. And there. This fruit and fruit. They like na. Fruit and leg. So a mouth. For the roots. A roots.
So, excuse me po.
Why this is where the mouth? Let's go stop it.
Yeah, cover your mouth.
1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. No more. No more throat. La. His leg. No more throat. Mom,
Bakit?
I'm gonna fire. I draw fire. Fire! Glow!
Kape yan, anak ko. Kape.
Mama, tape hindi ready.
Oh, magkape ka na.
No,
Isaw-saw mo ito. Diyan, masarap.
no.
Bakit?
Don't want to. Why? So he's hot. So dangerous. So how? No.
Kape na.
No.
Huwag ka na magantas. Kape na lang, ha?
No. Don't want to run. I want that one.
Bakit ayaw mo to?
I want this one.
Gusto mo lang yan. Oh, ito na. Sausaw mo dito. Masarap.
Wag, no.
Oh, baba ka na.
Wag,
Oh, say
baba.
bye-bye na.
Bye-bye, guys.